Okay. Today start a new point. Next preparation methods of aromatic aldehyde by side chain chlorination of toluene. By side chain chlorination of toluene. Look here, by side chain chlorination of toluene here like this. Toluene CH3. Okay. Yes, name of the compound toluene. Name of the compound toluene. Side chain chlorination of methyl group of toluene in presence of light H nu. Okay, it will be in presence of H nu. Look here, a reaction of Cl2 gas. Side chain chlorination. Side chain chlorination. Correct? Yes. Cl. Look here, all of you, all students. Look here. Look here, a side chain chlorination in presence of light. Presence of light. But everybody, okay, a chlorination reaction, both reactions are substitution. In dark, substitution for only benzene ring. Substitution only benzene ring. In dark, substitution in benzene ring to formation of ortho or para chlorotoluene. But in case of the light, in presence of light, here substitution reaction for only side chain. Only side chain. Look here, first it use, first it use benzyl chloride. CaCl2 like this, Cl2, benzyl chloride. Okay, benzyl chloride. Next, which on hydrolysis. Okay, which on hydrolysis? Acidic hydrolysis, H3O plus. At the temperature, a 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin, it gives benzaldehyde. It gives benzaldehyde. Name of the compound here, benzaldehyde. Name of the compound, benzaldehyde. Okay? Yes. Look here, a by side chain chlorination reaction. By a side chain chlorination of toluene. Okay? Look here, a side chain of the toluene. Okay? A chlorination in presence of light. In presence of light. Everybody, in presence of light, here side chain substitution reaction. Okay, first it use benzyl chloride. Which on a acidic hydrolysis, at a 373 Kelvin temperature to form benzaldehyde. What is this? By side chain chlorination of toluene. By side chain chlorination of toluene, a preparation of aromatic aldehyde. Preparation of aromatic aldehyde. Repeat here, pentoluene, okay, is reacted with chlorine gas in presence of light. First it gives benzyl chloride, which on acidic hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin temperature to form benzaldehyde. Correct? Yes. Look here, simple. A simple question here. How will you convert toluene to benzaldehyde? How will you convert toluene to benzaldehyde? Toluene to benzaldehyde. Answer. Look here. A side chain of the toluene. Methyl group is the side chain of the toluene is reacted with chlorine gas in presence of light. H nu light. First it gives benzyl chloride. Which on acidic hydrolysis at a 373 Kelvin temperature to form benzaldehyde. Okay, the complete everybody, a preparation method by side chain chlorination of toluene, a preparation of benzaldehyde means aromatic aldehyde. Correct? Yes. Okay, this is a simple reaction. Any difficulty here, all of you? No difficulty here. Correct? Yes. Next. Look here, a next preparation method of aromatic aldehyde. Next preparation method of aromatic aldehyde. Correct. You know, a Gattermann-Koch formulation reaction. Next, Gattermann. Okay, Gattermann-Koch. Okay, Gattermann-Koch formulation reaction. Gattermann-Koch formulation reaction. Formulation reaction. Correct? Yes. Formulation reaction like this. Look here. Everybody, in this reaction, when benzene or substituted benzene, you know, like this, when benzene or substituted benzene, name of the compound benzene, okay, is reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride. Carbon monoxide, you know, carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride under high pressure. Under high pressure, in presence of anhydrous. In presence of anhydrous, okay, anhydrous AlCl3 or cuprous chloride. AlCl3 or cuprous chloride. You know, here, you know, high pressure, under high pressure. Okay, look here everybody, benzene or substituted benzene. Benzene or a substituted benzene is reacted with carbon monoxide and HCl, hydrogen chloride, under high pressure. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or cuprous chloride. Okay, it gives, you know, look here like this, name of the compound benzaldehyde, COH. Name of the compound benzaldehyde. Correct? Benzaldehyde. Look here, this reaction used for okay, a preparation of the aromatic aldehyde. You know, explain the Gattermann-Koch formulation reaction. Everybody, when benzene or a substituted benzene is reacted with carbon monoxide, HCl, okay, under high pressure, in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride, it gives, okay, benzaldehyde or a substituted benzaldehyde. This reaction is called a Gattermann-Koch formulation reaction. Okay, look here, a benzaldehyde, everybody, you know, a benzaldehyde, everybody, this is substituted benzaldehyde here. You know, first reaction side chain, everybody, a first studied a reaction is a preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene. This is the commercial method. But everybody, this reaction, the Gattermann-Koch formulation reaction. You know, explain the Gattermann-Koch formulation reaction. Benzene or a substituted benzene or substituted benzene is reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride under high pressure in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Okay, it gives benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde. This reaction is called as a Gattermann-Koch formulation reaction. Look here, if everybody, COH group means formyl group. Okay, this is the, everybody, a formation of a formyl group to the benzene ring. Means a compound benzaldehyde. Okay, it complete the second preparation method. Okay, yes. Look here, a next preparation method allow you. Next, preparation of the aromatic ketones. Next, preparation of aromatic ketones. Preparation of aromatic ketones. You know, name of the reaction here. Preparation of aromatic ketone. Preparation of aromatic ketone. Okay. Yes. Look here, name of the reaction here, everybody. Name of the reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay. Look here, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, everybody simple. You know, fenbenzene is reacted with acetyl chloride. Name of the compound benzene here is reacted with acetyl chloride, CS3, COCl. Name of the compound acetyl chloride. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3, okay, here anhydrous AlCl3. Look at in this reaction, the reaction in which a hydrogen atom of benzene, the reaction in which a hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by a acetyl group, means acyl group of acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, this reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Actually, you know, a Friedel-Crafts reaction, there are how many types? There are two types. You know, first is Friedel-Crafts, everybody. First is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and second, everybody here, a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction to formation of alkyl benzene. Okay, in case of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction to form a acyl benzene. To form acyl benzene. Look here, explain the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In general, fenbenzene, the reaction in which fenbenzene, okay, fenbenzene is the reaction in which a hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by acyl group of acetyl chloride of acetic anhydride. This reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Look here. Okay, simple question. What is the action of acetyl chloride on benzene? What is the action of a acetyl chloride on benzene? Answer, fenbenzene is reacted with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous, okay, AlCl3, it gives, look here about, it gives like this, okay, CO. Next, CH3. Name of the compound, acetophenone. Name of the compound, acetophenone, correct? Acetophenone plus, like this. You know, here, everybody, HCl. Okay, HCl. Look here, all of you, 1 minute. Look here, fenbenzene. Look here, all of you, fenbenzene is reacted with acetyl chloride. Fenbenzene is reacted with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives acetophenone. Okay, it gives acetophenone. 1 minute. Okay. Simple everybody. Repeat answer. Phenbenzene is reacted with acetyl chloride in presence of a anhydrous AlCl3. It gives acetophenone. Everybody next. Look here second. Look here, what is the action of acetic anhydride on benzene? Okay, next. You know, simple reaction here. A CES3CO taken twice O. Name of the compound here, acetic anhydride. Okay, acetic anhydride. Look here, phenbenzene. Phenbenzene is reacted with acetic anhydride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3, it gives acetophenone. But byproduct, everybody here, acetic acid, CH3CO, okay, OH. Name of the compound here, acetic acid. Acetic acid. Repeat all of you here. Repeat. Phenbenzene is reacted with acetic anhydride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives acetophenone. It gives acetophenone. Correct? Yes. Look here, first everybody, what is the action of acetyl chloride on benzene? And second question, what is the action of a acetic anhydride on benzene? Acetic anhydride on benzene. Okay? Yes. Look here, next here. Look here, simple, everybody. What is the action of, everybody, next. What is the action of a benzyl chloride? Benzyl chloride like this. Okay. COCl, benzyl chloride. You know, like this, benzyl chloride. Correct? Yes. Benzyl chloride. Look here, phenbenzene is reacted with benzyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives like this. CO. Yes. Correct. Okay. Name of the compound, benzophenone. Name of the compound, you know, benzophenone plus HCl. Correct? Yes. Look here, reactions. Look here, a simple question. What is the action of a benzyl chloride on benzene? Benzyl chloride on benzene. This phenbenzene is reacted with a benzyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives benzophenone. Everybody, preparation of aromatic ketones by the reaction here. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, stop here.